This GreenPan Lima ceramic hard anodized 12 inches frying pan aims to be a helpful addition to any kitchen. It arrives in a gray color and includes a lid. The pan is designed for cooking things like eggs and omelets with ease. Many reviews highlight its nonstick surface. Cleanup is often described as a breeze, which saves time after cooking delicious pancakes. The GreenPan Lima ceramic hard anodized 12 inches boasts a PFAS PFOA-free construction. This means it avoids harmful chemicals, which is a big plus for health-conscious cooks. The hard anodized material is meant to resist corrosion and last a long time. It heats up well on the stovetop, and the stainless steel handle offers a sturdy grip. This pan is also oven and broiler safe, adding to its versatility for various cooking games in the kitchen. In conclusion, the GreenPan Lima ceramic hard anodized 12 inches frying pan seems like a solid choice for everyday cooking. Its non-toxic ceramic coating and easy cleanup are frequently praised in reviews. The inclusion of a lid is a nice touch, and the pan's oven-safe feature expands its uses. While delivery and long-term durability can vary, this GreenPan Lima ceramic hard anodized 12 inches skillet offers a convenient and healthier way to cook many meals. Pros: ceramic non-stick, hard anodized 12-inch size, includes lid, PFAS PFOA-free, non-toxic, oven safe, broiler safe, steel handle, for eggs, omelets, gray color. Cons: may lose non-stick over time, hand wash only, not for induction cooktops, can scratch if not careful. Some users report sticking. Lid oven safe to lower temp, handle can get hot, might not be fully toxin free, durability can vary, could be pricier for some features. GreenPan Lima 12-inch size, frying pan, includes lid, ceramic coating, hard anodized, PFAS PFOA-free, non-toxic, oven safe, broiler safe. This GreenPan Lima 12-inch frying pan is a skillet that comes with a lid and has a gray color. It has a ceramic non-stick coating that is made without harmful chemicals called PFAS and PFOA. So it's a non-toxic way to cook. The pan is made of hard anodized material, which makes it strong and last a long time. It has a stainless steel handle and can be used in the oven and under the broiler. This pan is good for cooking things like eggs and omelets. This 12-inch GreenPan Lima skillet has a gray, hard anodized surface with a ceramic nonstick coating that is advertised as free of harmful chemicals. It comes with a lid and a stainless steel handle, and it's safe to use in the oven and under the broiler. This pan is designed for cooking things like eggs and omelets and is not meant for induction cooktops. You need to wash it by hand and be careful not to scratch the surface, as some people have found that it can lose its nonstick over time, and food might stick. Also, the lid is oven safe to a lower temperature, and the handle can get hot. Some users feel it might not be completely toxin-free and that its durability can vary, and it might cost more than other similar pans.